Hate mosquitoes? Watch this video to learn how I use essential oils to keep the mosquitoes at bay. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today I'm telling you all about Citronella Essential Oil. So in this video, I'll talk about how to use Citronella Essential Oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use this oil safely. My favorite way of using Citronella Essential Oil is to keep insects at bay. You can make your own candle. We have a super cool recipe for it in the blog post. Or make your own bug spray. We got another recipe for that. So make sure to check out that blog post for those awesome recipes. This oil is a double whammy when it comes to bugs because citronella can also soothe insect bites. So dilute the oil and then apply it to the affected area and you'll notice relief. Citronella Essential Oil is also a very good cleaner. So not only can you use it to clean your space, you can also use it to make it smell amazing because it's got this citrusy herbal smell that just smells clean. So let's talk about how this oil works. So the citronella plant creates these natural chemicals that keeps insects at bay. It's protecting itself from getting eaten by insects. And we can use those same properties to help repel insects from ourselves. The two main naturally occurring chemicals in the citronella plant are citronellol and citronellol. These chemicals are known to help with a variety of things. You can learn more in our blog post. All right, let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. It's generally non-irritating to the skin. It's even kind of soothing, like I mentioned with the bug bites. But always dilute an essential oil before putting it on your skin. We have a super easy to follow dilution chart that we've linked to in the blog post. This oil is generally safe to use with kids aged 2 and up, and it's generally non-irritating to cats and dogs. But whenever you're using it, be sure to be mindful of your pet's behavior to see if the essential oil bothers them. I'm Katie, thanks for watching. To learn more about Citronella Essential Oil, click the link in the description box. You get